Hello friends, welcome to your channel Garden Diary of Spot Show. Today I'll share with you my recent purchase of two plants from nearby nursery of my home. The first plant you can see is a tissue culture gerbera which I couldn't resist to buy by seeing its color. And this plant came in a terracotta pot. It has a flower as well as a bud. The potting mix was okay, the plant is healthy, and the next plant is a Christmas cactus. This plant came in a polythene bag. The potting mix was good, but it is extremely loose and the plant was also very unsteady in this bag. So I have to repot it. But repotting has some problem. This plant has very limited time of flowering. Now it has buds. If I repot it, then I may lose these buds and this plant will not flower in this season. I've chosen these two pots. I thought I'll keep them in this. But the first pot is quite large for it, so I discarded. So I have settled for this small container. But even in this small container, the soil is too loose and the plant is very unsteady. I have to do something. So I put some stones around to make the soil steady. And then I have used this barbecue stick to fix the plant. You can see now the soil is quite tight. Now I'll tie this barbecue stick with the plant to make the plant straight. Now it will look good. The presentation is very important in this type of plants, so I have to do it. Now it is looking quite good, but it has to be improved. I have to do something. So I made some holes into the pot. I used the soldering iron to make these holes, and I had some marble stone powder with me, and I filled the pot with marble stone powder, then put some stones over so that the plastics would not be seen. And now after painting, you can see the plant with the pot is looking quite good. So now I am happy. For the second plant, I did nothing. I just kept that plant as it is and I just removed the support. If necessary, I will get. Now about the price. I paid 150 rupees each for this plant. Probably for the gerbera the price is fine because it has flowered, it has bud. But for the Christmas cactus, I think I paid more. I am saying that because I have visited a nursery recently, the video of which I will post here and I will give the link in the description box. You must see that video. I was pleasantly surprised by the sheer collection of the plants there and the price and the behavior of the staff. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If it is so, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for viewing the video. Thank you very much.